Good morning, children. How are you today? Hope all of you fine. Last class we learned all sound words. Do you remember that? What is the spelling of log? L-O-G, log. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. What is the spelling of boy? B-O-Y, boy. Then last one, toy. T-O-Y, toy. Okay. Today we are going to learn use sound words. Children, take your textbook. Take a page number 22. Use sound words. What is this? Sun. What is this? Sun. S-U-N, sun. Then next one. What is this? Bug. What is this? Bug. B-U-G, bug. Sun. S-A-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. Then B-A-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. Okay. Look, children. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. Next one. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. B-A-G, bug. Okay. Children, take your English notebook. First we will write date in the margin. Today date is 13 July 2020. Then write heading use sound words. Use sound words. First one, S-U-N, sun. Then B-U-G, bug. Sun, bug. Okay, while writing in your note, tell and write neatly. You have to write only in one page and also practice at home only in rough notebook. Okay, bye. See you next class. Thank you.